Hi, this is Hetty again from Nanny's Italian Kitchen. I just wanted to remind you guys, please share my videos because it would help me get more followers and more views. What I'll be making for you today are crab cakes. These are very delicious. What I have here is a pound of crab meat, and then I have, you can use 2 to 4 green onions, or scallions, whatever you call them. I have a garlic clove minced, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire, 1/3 of a cup of mayo, 1/2 of a lemon juice, a tablespoon of Grey Poupon. I always say Grey Poupon, but it's, what do you call it again?
Dijon?
Dijon mustard. 1/2 sleeve of Ritz crackers. You could use saltines or breadcrumbs, and some panko breadcrumbs. And I have here some tartar sauce, which I made with like 1/4 cup of mayo and a couple of tablespoons of relish. So what I'm going to do here is, this is 1 egg scrambled, and I'm going to mix into it the 1/3 of a cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire, 1/2 of a lemon juice, and the garlic. I used a large garlic clove. You don't have to, if you don't like lemon that much, I mean garlic that much, you don't have to. And here is the Dijon mustard. Okay, so what I'm going to do is mix that all together. The mustard gets a little bit lumpy, so what I'm going to do is get the hello the little beater, beat it up. There you go. Whip it good. Whip it good. There you go. Okay. So I'm gonna put it in the crab meat because the egg is a binder and so is the mayo. The scallions chopped up, and you could use Ritz crackers, or you could use saltine crackers, or you could use breadcrumbs. I like the Ritz. It gives it a little bit more thing. And so you just break it up and mix it in. About 1/2 sleeve of the long ones. Okay, got all my stuff there. Alrighty. The Ritz crackers gives it a little bit more flavor. So we mix this all together, and then what we're gonna do, wow, this recipe is for, makes like 4 or 5 crab cakes. If you need more, just double the recipe. I'll have everything written on the bottom like I usually do. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take a bunch like that and roll it in the panko. All right, so I'm rolling this in the panko and it's kind of soft. So what I'm gonna do is add some panko to the mix because it's too moist. There you go. A panko gives it the crunch and also it dries it up a little bit. I think it needs a little bit more. Okay. There we go. It's still kind of too moist. All right, I'll adjust it accordingly in the recipe. All right, I'll roll the rest of these and I'll be back when I'm ready to fry them up. Oil is heated up and I'm gonna put the crab cakes in here to fry. And just, that smells so good. One of these days they'll have smell-o-vision.
What the heck is that? I'm afraid
so
to
you
ask.
can smell the food.
On TV?
Yeah.
That'd be pretty cool, but I don't think that will happen.
I got 7 out of here, but you could get 6 or 8 depending on the size. Okay. One more here. I can probably fit it in. There we go. Okay. I'll be back when they're done. They're gonna probably be about 2-3 minutes on each side. And I'll be back to taste it for you. And I'll be very happy to do so. Okay, so I have the crab cake here and it cooked about 4 or 5 minutes on each side. I'm gonna squeeze some lemon on it. And if you want to use tartar sauce, you can. You can buy the tartar sauce, but it's so simple to make. I put a 1/4 cup of mayo and 2 tablespoons of relish here. And so here, I'll take some tartar sauce and I'm gonna taste it with the crab cake. That's delicious. I hope you try it. Don't forget, the recipes are on the bottom of the video. And please share my videos. Until next time, bon appetit.